Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The square root of x will multiply by number 1 and the square root of x. So this one we change by s to the power of 1 over 2 because the square root represent about 1 over 2. Now we have the formula in here. So this one I will put 1 over 2 gone here. So 1 over 2 plus 1 we have 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. S that is about number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. And we have number 2. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.